Kikubor ki babnia. Kaseng National People's Party kalarai banyalam ya ke Executive Committee ha Giant Hills Autonomous District Council da ke Jingkyrshan lang jong Kaseng United Democratic Party bat arngut ki MDC Shimet. Uba Thombor Shiwat unsa shimti kum u Chief Executive Member katba uba Laski Rembai na Kaseng UDP un yai beteng ban shimti kum u Deputy CEM. Ha ke result kabalami henin kasngi Kaseng NPP kala job na ki khatlai tali ki constituency bat menta kala yo ya ka majority lengba ke Jingkyrshan lang chong laingut ki MDC na Kaseng UDP bat arngut na ki kertong Shimet kata ikong Violet Lingdo bat iba Moonlight Parian kabala penlong baro khat prangut na ki arpho khandaingut ki MDC la penlong ya ke jinga kedu lang ban Thaw ya ke isi bathamai ha kaba unong yalam ka NPP u Dr WR Khaluki ula ai khuble ya baro ki MDC ke blash yo ik jingchom.
Ultimately we have 13, so ultimately it will be the NPP who lead the thing, the HASI committee.
So with your coalition partners?
Yes. We MDA. Actually MDA won from in Giant Hills Autonomous District Council.
I've seen the performance of the party in Giant Hills. I think it's very good, very good. If you look back during the MP election, all the 7 seats were by the UPP, but now we got 13 seats. I'm very satisfied with that. I think we will form the government. We'll form the EC in the Giant Hills Autonomous.
Kaseng Voice of the People